Okay? So I have 3 goes into 742, 247 times with 1 remainder. All right. Who knows the other way I can write this?
247.
Literally an R for remainder. Okay? Now what about my remainders as I went down? Do I have to write these down anywhere? Nope. Nope, not even a little bit. All right, so we're going to do this again. So now let's do 5 into 1,370. All right, so now this is the first time I can't go into the first number. All right? Can 5 go into 1? No. Now I take in the first 2 numbers. Can 5 go into 13? Yes. How many times? 2. All right? Same thing works with the double numbers. So I've got my 13 minus 5. It gives me a remainder of 8, right? So 8. Do it again. Minus 5. I have 3 left. So I have 1, 2, 5. So I come up here. 5 times 2 is 10. I subtract. I get 3 minus 0 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down my 7. How many times can 5 go into 37? 7 times. 5 times 7 is 35. 7 minus 5 is 3 minus 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. I bring down my 0. So now I have 20. How many times does 5 go into 20?
4.
5 times 4. What's my remainder? Nada. Do I have to write this as a mixed number?
No.
Nope. My answer is simply 274. And that's it. Right? As long as you follow my steps, okay, as long as you pay attention to what I'm writing down, right? So I have 5 times 2, right? I put it right here. I'm putting these little things in here so that you recognize each time what we're doing. All right? So every time we subtract, every time we bring down the next number that we didn't use until we run out of numbers. Okay? Eventually we'll get into decimals. And if you already know how to do that, that is fine. But for now, I want answers written as whole numbers, mixed numbers. So that last one we'll just say was, what was that last one? You remember what it was?
274 1/3.
What was it?
274 1/3.
274 1/3. Was it really?
Yeah.
Well, hot damn. I didn't do that on purpose. Okay, that was just fun. Okay, so 274 1/3 or 274 remainder 1. So this is how I want your answers written. So this was the last one for your homework. These are sad. I'm horrible, awful. Okay, so take this in. I'm going to make a copy of this real quick.